loves, wala pa akong lipstick, no? So, mag-lipstick tayo.
Not true. I don't have lipstick on. It's a lie. Dirty lie. I don't have lipstick. Dirty lies.
Huh? Oh, that's nice and very tiny. 2 people can sit in there. Huh? Yeah. Watch out. So, ayaw daw niya yung noisy, mga loves, kasi sobrang noisy. So, gusto niyang mag-change ng cart kasi sobrang daw noisy. Look. Noisy, han? That's okay. Oh. Walang broccoli. Walang broccoli wrong. I told you. This is not a good place. Maybe it's right here. Maybe right here. Hala ay. Walang broccoli wrong. Told you. I told you walang, they don't have broccoli rub.
It may not be in season.
Huh?
Broccoli raw, not in season.
No. The other store always have some. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko, mga loves, yung broccoli rub, yung mapait na gulay. As in, masarap kasi talaga yun siya. At itong aking asawa, iba naman yung plano din niya. So ngayon, pabayaan natin kasi may plano siya eh. So yun, sunod-sunod na lang tayo sa kanya kasi ito naman yung ating papel, no? Sunod-sunuran. Charot, hindi ako sunod-sunuran. Meron akong sariling desisyon. O diba? Sinong nakipag-away dyan? Itaw ay sunod-sunod lang gudagig katami. Alam na dis kung saan siya patungo, mga loves. Mga karne. O diba? Kasi guys, marami siyang plano tungkol sa kanyang aso. Go lang, Mr. Tame. Go! No, that's a really small piece.
Yeah.
That's really tiny. Look at that.
$26.
Yeah, even this one. Look, we're gonna go to the other store anyway. I'll go get over there. No, I don't want pork anymore. That's a beef thing.
Short ribs?
So ngayon, gusto niya ng short rib. Sabi ko, wag na. Kasi iba yung plano ko. But anyway, so yun na yung manok na lutuin niya para sa kanyang alaga. At meron siyang donut. Look at this guy. Pinching you, of course. That's how we do in the Philippines.
Use
Like,
a Primavera.
huh?
Use any other Primavera.
I can't read nothing.
That's not. That's Florentine.
Florentine. Guys, alam niyo, nagikusi man ako siya, mga loves. Kahit ano-ano na lang yung pinagagawa niya. So, yun siya, aray, ang sakit, bakit kinusi mo ako? So, yun, nandito na kami sa sasakyan. Ilagay lang namin yung mga binili pala niya. So, alam niyo yung kusi, guys. Iwan ko kung ano yung Tagalog, basta gikusi na ako. Nasakitan, taon akong bana. First time ko yung napasakitan akong bana. Nakusi, ginako siya, mga loves. Nakaano yun siya, bakit ginawa ko daw yun? Naawa naman ako eh. First time ko yung nasaktan yun siya, guys. Nalakasan ko kasi yung kusi ko eh.
Okay, guys, we just left Hannaford's, but they did not have broccoli rabe. We got chicken and carrots so we could make dog food. And now we're headed to Market 32, because Marianne figures they will have broccoli rabe. I don't know if that's true, because broccoli rabe is a seasonal thing, so if they don't have it, it may not be in season. I don't know. I guess we'll find out when we get there.
Hannaford is always don't have a...
Hannaford has broccoli rabe. What are you talking about?
No.
I've gotten broccoli rabe from Hannaford a dozen times. But we're headed there. And let's see, my wife's lights are on? Yes, they are. Because it is a little bit of rain. And the law in this state is if it's raining, you have to have your lights on or they will give you a ticket. Because they can. And they make money. And that's the rule.
Big money.
Anything they can make money on, they will do it to you.
A lot of cars, there's no light.
Yeah, well, they can pull you over and give you a ticket. That's the thing. That's it. That's it. That's it, that's it, that's it.
At yun, nakarating na kami dito sa tindahan. Pero naghiwalay po kami ni Mister. Ibang tindahan siya. unang lugar na pupuntahan natin is Gulay, of course, kasi yung Gulay yung pinapunta natin dito. Sana meron po sila. Sana meron po. Ay, parang meron. Pero ito muna yung kunin natin kasi ito yung hinahanap ni Tommy. Salad for Tommy. Ay, nakabili na pala ako ng broccoli wrap, mga loves. Dito, oh. And then, hanap tayo ng tawag nito, garlic. Garlic. Pangit yung garlic. Iba, eh. Ito, dalawa lang. Dami pala. Andun pala siya sa Andun siya sa dollar store. Meron siyang binili. Yung botelya kasi. So, hiwalay muna kami ngayon. Loves, puntahan natin siya doon. Para doonan natin siya kukunin. Wala, lumipad. Dito tayo dadaan. Kasi walang sasakyan sa harap. Hala pa rin. Puntahan natin siya. Oopsie. May sasakyan ba dito? Oops. Dito tayo. Lusot-lusot tayo, mga loves. Lusot-lusot. Lusot-lusot tayo. Lusot-lusot. Hala. Asa na kaya yan siya? Tara, tignan natin. Hintayin lang natin. Diyan siya, oh. Dollar Tree. Yan, oh. Yun. Diyan siya. So, yun. Hintayin ko lang siya dito sa loob ng sasakyan. Kasi hindi niya alam nag-move ako ba. So, ngayon, ganyan yan si Tommy kapag may kung may diyan sa utak niya, kung meron siyang gustong bilhin, and then merong gawin sa aso, yung pagkain ng aso, magluto siya ng maraming chicken and carrots, and then ilagay niya sa container. And then pagkatapos, ilagay niya sa freezer. Yung freezer namin is punong-puno ng mga loves. Pabayaan ko lang siya. Ayaw kong gawin. Gusto ko kung siya yung plano niya, siya yung gagawa. So, yun mga loves, pauwi na kami. Traffic dito ngayon. Kasi hapon na kasi and then maulan pa. So, sobra. Nagdubli-dubli yung traffic. Yung mga estudyante pa uwi na din. At so yun, pag uwi ko ng bahay, ang pinakauna kong ginagawa is nagluluto. Kasi mahirap ito linisin mga loves. Isa-isa ko talaga sa ito lang linisin. So kaya yun, tapos na akong naglinis and then pagkatapos lutuin. And meron akong nakalimutan sa tindahan, yung karne na gusto kong bilhin for Tommy. Pag niluluto ko kasi mga loves, masaya si Mister. Ako masaya din kasi gusto namin itong dalawang gulay na ito. Alam ko sa mga tao dyan, hindi ito kilala at ayaw kumain ito dahil mapait. Pero ito yung paborito namin. Sinasabi ko kay Tommy bakit yung ibang American ayaw kumain ito. Italian talaga ito mga loves pala. Italian na gulay. At hindi pa ninyo nakikita si Mister kasi po andun siya sa likuran ng bahay. Meron siyang ginagawa. So ngayon hinugasan ko na yung second batch natin kasi batch by batch ito kasi mahirap ilagay lahat sa sobrang dami. And then linis-linis hinugasan ko kasi po meron siyang balas-balas, no? Kailangan talaga siyang hugasan ng pang ilang beses. And then itong asawa ko dumating at niloloko ang aking bukto. Gihilot-hilot man ko niya mga loves, oy. Paminsan itong talagang asawa ko mga loves, excuse na lang, ganyan yan siya, mahilig magloko. Habang meron akong ginagawa, bayaan lang natin siya mga loves, paminsan lang kasi niya yan magawa. Masaya kasi yan ngayon kasi nagluluto ako. Show them what you got, what kind of bottle you got, that's the wrong one. Habs, don't even think about it.
Well, it's not the ones I was looking for. I was looking for the ones that you use for preserving food. But they didn't have them. One place only had little tiny ones and one place didn't have them at all. So I don't want to keep running around from place to place right now. So I just got, these were $1.25 each. So a glass jar with a plastic top. And I'll cook up the chicken with the carrots for the dog. And we'll put portions in these jars.
So ito na yung niluluto yung manok na para sa mga aso po niya. Busy na siya ngayon mga loves. Tingnan nyo yung pusa mga loves. Ang cute na naman ni Dimples. Actually no bone, ha?
That's the thing about thighs. There's really not much bone. It's bone. Not like breasts where you got like 8 billion little bones. But you do have this little gristle piece. Usually comes out with the bone, but every once in a while one is soft enough that the bone sticks in there. eat as good as these kids do. Look, we're only not even through one pack. Look how much we got.
Hi. Busy.
One more after this.
One more?
After this one.
Okay.
Technically two.
I'm relaxing here, okay? Don't be mad.
Oh, I'm gonna do the carrots next. Last one.
So what are you doing now?
Making portions for them.
That's good. So it's just really few meals, honey. Two container a day. So it's just like the same thing what you're doing. It's better to buy this one and mix it with their food.
Well, you can do that too. Look how much is left of here. Seriously. Look how much is left.
Now put it in the baggie. End muna natin yung mga loves, yung vlog ni Mister. Ito lang yung ganap niya sa buhay, no? Busy siya sa yung mga alaga. Kahit ano-ano lang yung naisip niya. Salamat po sa time. Bye!